Hello everyone, welcome to Young Canaan Official. As you can see the picture above, this is Hafsa Mohamed Lukman, a 23-year-old Somali girl who was kidnapped by unknown people, and a ransom demand of shilling 5 million made for her release was found and rescued alive this morning. Police and the family of Hafsa Mohamed Lukman said she was found abandoned and locked in a house in Matopeni area, Kayole. She was alone in the house when police arrived there. This was long after her apparent captors had left the area. Police took her to the local police station to record a statement before being taken to the hospital for medical checkup. It is not clear why the kidnappers decided to abandon her there and leave, but police said the scene was among those they had been focusing on. Police and the family said no ransom was paid. Lukman was kidnapped by unknown people from Kamukunji area, Nairobi on 15th June 2021.